Hello everyone, you have Royce here and welcome to our channel Sansevieria 101. So for this episode, we're going to start with the first trifasciata feature, and this is Sansevieria species that are leaf blade shaped in form. And what you see in front of you right now is Sansevieria trifasciata in its green form, and probably it's the same trifasciata that you will find in the wilds. They are the non-variegated form of the Sansevieria trifasciata species. Usually very common in the trade. You will see margins from this species, especially on the cultivars such as black gold and Laurentii, and there are also some other cultivars, or you can say variety of trifasciatas that can be found in the market. But right now we're going to start off with the very base form of the trifasciata. So this is the only trifasciata green form clump that I have, because I have already so many plants, Sansevierias, to take care of. So when they're very common, I don't usually have them in many pots. So this is just one of the specimens that I take care of for the purpose of showing you folks the species, how it's different from the other species of Sansevierias. You might mistake them as the other species such as Metallica. The Metallicas also have green forms, and we can differentiate them in terms of pattern and in terms of the tips from the leaves, as what I'm showing you right now. This is how the trifasciata leaf tips look like. That is the tip of the Sansevieria trifasciata green form looks like. Later on I'll be showing you some other varieties of trifasciata, but for now we're discussing the very base form of trifasciata. By the way, this trifasciata green form that I'm showing is one of the long leaf varieties, a variety, or the full size, so to speak. They are trifasciatas that grow very long leaves, and it may take about 3 to 5 feet long for this kind of trifasciata to grow. So I'm showing you right now how the pattern looks like. You will see that there are dark green bandings, and then alternate with the lighter green color, and they're all bandings, and they're from the bottom of the leaf to the top of the leaf. That's the pattern of trifasciata. You will also find the pattern, some looks very similar to Metallica, but how the patterns are formed are not like these. I have already uploaded some examples of Sansevieria Metallica, and you can compare them to this video, so you can identify your Sansevieria, if it's Sansevieria Metallica or Sansevieria trifasciata. I think some of the people, or some of you folks, are still confused with the species, especially if you're not very particular into really looking into what species you have. So I have made a video to help out people who are interested to find out what plants do they really have. So right now I'm showing you the base form of trifasciata. Later on, or in the videos about trifasciatas moving forward, I will be showing you some trifasciatas that have variegations on them. They're called cultivars. Cultivars, when I say cultivars, that means they're not true to leaf. So if you try to leaf propagate a trifasciata with variegations on them, or having some yellow color on the sides or in the center, if you leaf propagate them, you'll end up having or growing these green forms of trifasciata, and that's also dependent on what type of trifasciatas you have, because there are short leaf trifasciatas, there are wide leaf trifasciata, there are narrow leaf trifasciatas, and there are long leaf trifasciatas, which is the most common one that can be found in the wild. So this plant that I'm showing you right now is at most more than 2 feet in length, and on some younger leaves you may see that the bandings are whitish in color, but as they grow old they turn into lighter green in lighter green color. The younger ones are whitish and then having dark green bandings on them. Alright, so once again I'm showing you Sansevieria trifasciata green form, and this is one of the long leaf types. So as I feature more trifasciatas in the future, or in or moving forward, I will be describing them, whether they are short leaf, whether they are narrow leaf, whether they are wide leaf or compact. We'll discuss them one at a time. But right now this is the trifasciata in green form, and the usual trifasciatas that you can find in the wild. There are some subspecies I have seen from Barry Yinger and Robert Sikawai. They have found new species or new variety of trifasciatas in the wild, which I don't think I have, but they are very similar to what I'm showing right now. So I guess this is it for this first video that we are featuring for the trifasciata species. So folks, if you like the content, please don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel. Thank you everyone.